Hello everyone. So today we have a surprise guest, that is Misba Malbari. So she is from Hubli, and many people who is having that confusion saying that online is easy. So just by spending 10,000 or 5,000 it will work and everything. So for the long term students, especially who are taking the drop, they'll have this mindset saying that. So just why to waste money, parents hard earned money. So if you go to academy, it will waste your time, everything. So this is the girl who is the real example for you. So I wanted her to tell her story actually. So when Misba approached academy, so that time we have cleared every doubt. So but she was convinced by given suggestion by her friends saying that online mein acha hota, so you can do it, so you don't need to waste money, just push YouTube shorts or Instagram reels. She has seen that, and she wanted to save money. And after 1 year, so almost by January or February, so she called again and she said that. So I lost the hopes, and she was like, what she was in a dilemma saying that what to do, because she lost the hopes and no confidence because of her not writing examination. So multiple happened. Then she came to NEET Crash Course, and she cleared the examination, and she thought that she'll get the medical seat again because of the NEET. So she was forced to come back to the academy, and I wanted she has to tell this story. So Misba, hi Misba. So let them know what exactly happened. Why you have chosen online over offline?
As Sir said, I had taken 1 year drop. जब मैं ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ऐसे अटेंड कर रही थी, उससे पहले पता था कि आई विल बी कमिंग लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए, लेकिन फिर थोड़ा सा आई वाज कंफ्यूज एंड ऑल। फिर मैंने ऑनलाइन ही ट्राई किया, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ट्राई किए, लेकिन एज वी नो ऑनलाइन के लिए तो हमें गैजेट्स ही यूज़ करना पड़ता, तो फिर वो
स्मार्टफोन्स, इंस्टाग्राम, सोशल मीडिया
बीच में तो फिर नहीं ठीक से नहीं हो पाता था पढ़ाई। और जैसा कंफर्ट यहाँ पे है वो हमें ऐसे फ़ोन में सब नहीं मिलता। तो फिर जब ऐसे एंड में जब मुझे मेरा सिचुएशन पता चला कि हाँ मुझे ऑफलाइन क्लासेस की ज़रूरत है, तो फिर तभी पता चला कि यहाँ पे 45 डेज़ का कोचिंग ऐसे स्टार्ट होने वाला है। तो फिर मैं यहाँ पे आई, तब पता चला कि फीस फ्री है, बस हमें पे करना पड़ेगा फूड के लिए। तो फिर हमने ऐसे पे एंड ऑल किया। उसके बाद हमें एवरीडे ये रहते थे डेली टेस्ट रहते थे। तो फिर हमें मतलब उसी दिन रिजल्ट का भी पता चलता था, लाइक नेक्स्ट डे या अभी। हाँ, आज मतलब आज का सिलेबस हमें आज ही ऐसे टेस्ट में देना पड़ता था। तो फिर तभी हमें पता चलता था कि हाँ इतना फोकस्ड हूँ क्लास में। हाँ, तो फिर यहाँ पे कॉम्पिटिशन्स ज़्यादा रहते हैं कंपेयर टू ऑनलाइन क्लासेस। वहाँ पे हमें पता नहीं चलता कि हाँ हम लोग सच में ऐसे फोकस्ड हैं भी या नहीं। तो फिर सब अच्छा था, एग्जाम्स भी मतलब यहाँ पे जो मैंने सिलेबस कंप्लीट किया सब कुछ क्लियर था, एग्जाम भी लिख के आई, क्वालिफाई से भी ज्यादा मार्क्स आने वाले थे।
मेडिकल मिलेगा, सेलिब्रेशन हो रहा, सरप्राइज है।
हाँ, सबसे बड़ा सरप्राइज ये था कि नीट था। तो फिर सेम सिचुएशन हुआ। उसके बाद जैसे कि मैंने बोला द सिचुएशन वाज द सेम। तो फिर हम पता चला कि ऐसे सर फिर से ऐसे स्टार्ट करने वाले।
Yeah, we wanted to give support, moral support for the students, because it is a crisis. So obviously crisis not only for you, it is for everyone. So no one wanted that, but unfortunately happened. So we wanted to give that assurance saying that we are there with you. So as an academy or an individual, so we wanted to give that moral support, because no student should suffer because of this trauma and all. And we wanted to bring them back to their studies, and as it is an opportunity, my dear. See, always remember, see, when you go for the final examination, you might have thought, like, if I get another 1 week or 10 days, then I can perform well. So I would have performed well. So these are all like what will be there in your mind, right? So
Yes.
now you have an opportunity.
Yeah.
So to write the examination again, they take 1 year time, mental tension,
Drop
money, and
this.
everything. But you have an opportunity, 1 month of quality time you have, right? So whatever the backlogs you have, then you can clear it, and what and all areas to improve, now you know. And even after the grant is only, you might have realized. So
Yeah.
now it's an opportunity. So I believe one statement saying that, see, when it rains, so all the birds will try to find the shelter, but eagle is only the bird which will fly above the clouds. That means to avoid the rain, so it will fly above that clouds. That means the crisis is common for everyone. Who will take it in a positive manner as a challenge, and it is an opportunity, right? So
Yeah.
take it as a challenge. Do yourself, do your best, and correct your mistakes, and focus on your weak areas. Definitely you can perform far more better than the previous one. So
Yeah.
don't think in a negative way, actually. So you can perform well, and you can, you can get a better college, right? So yeah. So yeah, what do you want to conclude now?
I would just like to say that जैसा मेरा सिचुएशन था, आई होप आपको भी ऐसा सिचुएशन कभी ना मिले. लाइक हमें लगता है कि ऑनलाइन बहुत बेटर है, लेकिन वैसा कुछ नहीं होता. लाइक देयर आर मेनी स्टूडेंट्स मतलब सिचुएशन मेरे जैसा होता है. लाइक दे कैन नॉट फोकस ऐसे ऑनलाइन एंड ऑल. तो फिर आई वुड लाइक टू टेल देम ऑफलाइन क्लासेस आर वेरी like far better than online classes. So I would just like to thank Sir and Nexgen Academy. Thank you.
So we are not concluding that which is good, which is bad, or something. So online is bad or offline is good. No, not like that. So it is like what it is, a practical experience, because majority of the students are lacking in focus. Actually, you can't focus. So social media, which is the trap. Yes, simple. When you open the mobile, so the moment when you wanted to attend the class, you need to switch on the mobile. The moment when you switch on, immediately some notification will pop up, and by seeing that curiosity, you will click that, and you will go somewhere, and you don't know when will you come back. By the time you come back, the class may get over, or otherwise. So you will be eating something and listening to that, or otherwise someone will come and disturb, and you will be talking to them. By the time this point will go up, right? No examination, no competition, comfort zone. You will be happy. One-way traffic. You are not writing any examination. You are not experiencing the practical questions, like whatever are going to come in the examination. So these are all like one-way traffic. So you are not experiencing comfort zone. So everyone wanted comfort zone. So after writing the examination only, you will realize it, and after some time you start losing hopes, because you are not writing exam. You don't know where you are, and you are not clear what are you doing. Then FOMO, we say, fearing of missing out. So you feel like you can't do it. Then you will give up, and you will be doing social media reels, Instagram reels, or YouTube videos. So that is what our target. So yeah, if you are good at studies, you don't get distracted by anything like mobile, TV, friends, functions, parties, festivals. Then you are the best kid. You can study anywhere. Definitely, this online will help you in that. Yes. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much.